Alright, g'day everyone. This is a Yale Superior. This is the 9-pin variant. So we've got lots of max lifts in there. You can only just see the little dots on the key. And extra 4 sliders to add to the fun. Let's see how we go. So the pins come in like kind of like a V7, I guess. Definitely not as pronounced of an angle. So we're just working our way through the left side, searching for binders. Alright, let's try the right hand side. Just giving everything a little bit of a nudge, searching for any obvious binders. Okay, let's try the right hand side again. And there's a pretty low lift in the middle there on this side, so I'm trying to not overset that. Trying my best anyway. Okay, there's a couple of really high lift pins up the front. Almost max lifts, I guess, including that like double serration style pin in pin 1. It's really working them up there. Alright, there can't be much left. Oh, there we go. There's our false set. Now it's time to mess around with these sliders. So, one. Ugh, that was hopeless. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one should be the last one to go. There we go. Excellent. Okay, time to speed up the gutting, so it's a bit easier to watch. Alright, so here's our pins and sliders. Just hoping for a bit of focus. I'll drop the lamp down a little bit. There we go. Alright, 9 drivers, 4 sliders. Got an anti-bump pin in top stack number 9 and like a double spool, double serration in pin 1. And there's our chunk of a sidebar springs. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.